Ready to level up your game development skills? First, open your Adobe Photoshop. Let's start with the basics, choosing our canvas size by going to File. Then consider the dimensions you need for your game art. Think about cell phone, desktop, or whatever it's going to be on. We usually stick to pixel sizes, so use those. Next, we'll sketch our game art concept. Grab your tablet and stylus, if you have one, and select the brush tool. Experiment with different brush sizes and hardness settings. This stage will get you a rough outline to get started. Remember, this is a building phase. Now we're blocking in our colors. Create a new layer for your base colors using the fill tool. Quickly apply flat colors to your sketch. Using different layers allows you to make changes without disturbing other components. You can always adjust later. Time to add depth. Add shading and highlights. Use the brush tool again and create a new layer for this stage. In the layer panel, experiment with blending modes like multiply for shadows and overlay, or screen for highlights to create realistic lighting effects that pop. Finally, refine your artwork. Zoom in and make fine adjustments using the brush tool for details, and if you're happy with the result, export your beautiful artwork. You've brought your game art to life using Photoshop.